I would absolutely recommend this conference. What's wonderful about being in the space with other FleetWave users is that I'm learning about things that might not have occurred to me that seem very simple to others, and I think we can play off of each other's strengths that way.
It's great to hear what Chevin are continuing to do to develop the functionality within the system. It's good to hear other customers' view of the system. It's been really good again.
So this is my first time at the conference, and I would highly recommend it to any FleetWave end users out there. Just today alone, I've learned so much.
I really enjoy the conference because you get to hear how other departments or agencies and companies are using FleetWave, and it gives us ideas of some of the things that we make and take back, and then I enjoy hearing about what's to come and getting to see actually what the system can do.
It has been fun, and yes, I definitely recommend it.
Yeah, it's easy access to people, and it's a nice atmosphere.
I think it's been a really insightful opportunity to network with other users.
Oh, I give Chevin conferences a 10 at all times. Excellent people, excellent entertainment.